how to delete page templates from Shopify. So this is fairly simple. All we need to do is click on online store here from the left hand side, and then this will take us to the themes page. Scroll down a little bit until you're able to find your current theme here. Click on the three dots and then choose the option to edit code. This will take us to a new page which looks like this, and here we want to go to the templates section. If you're not able to find it, we can just search here for templates like so, and we will need to locate the page which we want deleted. Now the page will have a page in the name itself. So as you can see here, we have the contact page as an example, page.contact.json. If we want to delete this page, all we have to do is left click on it, and this trash can icon appears next to it. To delete it, just simply click on it and it will tell us that we are going to delete this file. Just confirm the deletion and this will remove the page on your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.